In this video, we will be solving exercise 9.3 from the chapter measurements. First question, find the average of the following group of numbers. To find out the average, we have to divide sum of all the quantities divided by total number of quantities. Here, 76, 81, 90, 65, 79 and 83 are all the quantities, and the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 is the total number of quantity. Let us find out the average. Average equals to 76 plus 81 plus 90 plus 65 plus 79 plus 83 divided by number of quantities 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. Now add all this 76, 81, 90, 65, 79, 83. 474. Now divide 474 by 6. We can simplify here. 474 and 6 both goes in 2 table. 2 3s are 6. 2 2s are 4. 2 3s are 6. 7 minus 6 is 1. 2 7s are 14. 237 by 3. So divide 3 outside, 237 inside. 3 7s are 21. 23 minus 21 is 2. Bring down 7. 3 9s are 27. 27 minus 27 is 0. So answer is 79. Next question. 2.3, 4.5, 0.9, 1.7 and 3.4. Let's find out the average. Average equals to 2.3 plus 4.5 plus 0.9 plus 1.7 plus 3.4 divided by number of quantity 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Add all this 2.3, 4.5, 0.9, 1.7, 3.4, 12.8. So divide 12.8 by 5. Now for simplifying division, let us forget the decimal point and do the normal division. 5 outside, 128 inside. 5 2s are 10. 12 minus 10 is 2. Bring down 8. 5 5s are 25. 28 minus 25 is 3. Put a decimal point. Add a 0. 5 6 are 30. 30 minus 30 is 0. 25.6. But here we have a decimal point. We have to shift the decimal point after one number. So answer is 2.56. Next question. See 1 by 2, 3 by 2, 1 by 4 and 5 by 4. This question is in fraction form. First we have to take the LCM. See 1 by 2, 3 by 2, 1 by 4 and 5 by 4. First let's take the LCM. 2, 2, 4, 4. Let's take 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2. So 2 2s are 4. 4. Now 2 2s are 4, multiply 1 with 2. 2 2s are 4, multiply 3 with 2. 4 1s are 4, multiply 1 with 1. 4 1s are 4, multiply 5 with 1. 1 2s are 2, plus 3 2s are 6, plus 1 1s are 1, plus 5 1s are 5, equals to 2 plus 6 is 8, 8 plus 1 is 9, 9 plus 5 is 14, 14 by 4. Now we have to find out the average. That is average equals to 14 by 4 divided by the number of quantities, total number of quantities. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Nothing down, so we put 1 in the denominator. When 4 by 1 goes up, it becomes reciprocal, that is 14 by 4 into 1 by 4. Simplify this. 14 and 4 both goes in 2 table. 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are 14, 7 1s are 7, 4 2s are 8. 7 by 8 is the answer. Next question. D. 1 2 by 3, 4 1 by 3, 2 1 by 3, 2 by 3 and 1 by 3. This is a mixed fraction. Convert this into improper fraction. D. 1 2 by 3, 4 1 by 3, 2 1 by 3, 2 by 3 and 1 by 3. Let's convert this into improper fraction. 3 1s are 3 plus 2, 5. 5 by 3. 4 3s are 12 plus 1, 13. 13 by 3. 2 3s are 6 plus 1, 7 by 3. 2 by 3 as it is and 1 by 3 as it is. Let's take the average. Average equals to, here as we can see, all the denominators are 3. So it is a like fraction. No need to take LCM. We can directly add. Now let's add it. 5 by 3 plus 13 by 3 plus 7 by 3 plus 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3. 5 plus 13 is 18, 18 plus 7 is 25, 25 plus 2 is 27, 27 plus 1 is 28. It is 28 by 3. Now let's take the average. Average equals to 28 by 3. Total number of quantities 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. Nothing in the denominator, so we put 1. When this goes up, it becomes reciprocal. 28 by 3 into 1 by 5. Multiply this. 28 1s are 28. 3 5s are 15. This is an improper fraction. So make it mixed fraction. 15 outside, 28 inside. 15 1s are 15. 28 minus 15 is 13. So answer is 113 by 15. Next question. The marks scored by 10 students of a class are as follows: 7, 5, 8, 6, 7, 7, 6, 9, 10, 5. To find the average of this, add all this and divide by total quantity. That is, average equals to 7 plus 5 plus 8 plus 6 plus 7 plus 7 plus 6 plus 9 plus 10 plus 5 divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 divided by 10 equals to 7 plus 5 is 12, 12 plus 8 is 20, 20 plus 6 is 26, 26 plus 7 is 33, 33 plus 7 is 40, 40 plus 6 is 46, 46 plus 9 is 55, 55 plus 10 is 65, 65 plus 5 is 70. 70 by 10. Simplify this. Both goes in 10 table. 10 1s are 10, 10 7s are 70. So 7 marks is the average. Next question. Daily wages in rupees of a group of workers working in a factory are 650, 900, 750, 800, 1150, 980. Find the average wage of workers. We have to find the average here. So average equals to, add 650 plus 900 plus 750 plus 800 plus 1050 plus 980, divide by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6. 650, 900, 750, 800, 1150, 980. 5230. 5230 divide by 6. So let's divide by 6. 5230. 6 8s are 48. 52 minus 48 is 4. Bring down 3. 6 7s are 42. 43 minus 42 is 1. Bring down 0. 6 1s are 6. 10 minus 6 is 4. Put a point. Add a 0. 6 6 are 36. 40 minus 36 is 4. Since we have a decimal point, add 0. 6 6 are 36. It is a recurring decimal. So we'll stop after 2 digits. Answer is 871.66 rupees. Next question. The daily sale of sugar in kgs for a particular week in a cooperative store is as follows. Monday 75, Tuesday 0, Wednesday 31, Thursday 50, Friday 46, Saturday 72, Sunday 90. We have to find the average sale of sugar in a week. Add all this and divide by total quantity. That is average equals to 75 plus 0 plus 31 plus 50 plus 46 plus 72 plus 90 divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. Add all this. 75, 0, 31, 50, 46, 72, 90. 5 plus 1, 6, 6 plus 6, 12, 12 plus 2, 14. 7 plus 1, 8, 8 plus 3, 11, 11 plus 5, 16, 16 plus 4, 20, 20 plus 7, 27, 27 plus 9, 36. 364. 364 by 7. Now divide 7 with 364. 7 5s are 35. 36 minus 35 is 1. Bring down 4. 7 2s are 14. 14 minus 14 is 0. So answer is 52. 52 kg. Next question. Find the average of the first 7 multiples of 7. That is, we have to write the table of 7. 5 average. 7 1s are 7. 7 2s are 14. 7 3s are 21. 7 4s are 28. 7 5s are 35. 7 6s are 42. 7 7s are 49 by 7. Add all this. 7 plus 14 plus 21 plus 28 plus 35 plus 42 plus 49, 196. Now divide 196 by 7. 7 outside, 196 inside. 7 2s are 14. 19 minus 14 is 5. Bring down 6. 7 8s are 56. 56 minus 56 is 0. So answer is 28.